Let's look at some of the most important HTML tags and see how each of them can be used. We're using an HTML editor called HTML House, which is quite a useful editor for seeing how HTML code displays in a browser. When you use HTML, the first line always needs to be this line, which tells the browser that this is an HTML document. So the first tag we'll look at is the HTML tag. It tells the browser that the information inside the tag is HTML information. I've told it to display the words "Hello World," and that's what it does. The next one to look at is the title. This tells the browser what the name or title of the web page is. This information is usually not shown on the web page, so we can't see it here, but it is usually shown at the top of a browser. Next, let's look at the body tag. This contains all the HTML elements that will be shown on the page. If I place two paragraph tags inside the body tags, whatever is included in them will be displayed on the browser. So let's look more closely at paragraph tags. Any text contained in between the opening and closing paragraph tags will be displayed in the browser. I'll add another paragraph here. The next tag is a break tag. This adds a line break. If I insert a break here, you can see it places this line below the previous one. Take note, the break tag is both the opening and closing tag at the same time, so you only need one. Next, the bold tag. If I insert bold tags, it bolds all the text between the tags. And the same for italics. This italicizes all the text between the italics tags. Now let's look at some headers. The H1 tag creates a heading for the text that is larger and bolder than normal paragraph text. This is like a main heading. This isn't really the right place for a header though, so let me replace this over here, and look, it repositions it in the browser. H2 creates a subheading. This heading is smaller than a heading 1 or H1 tag, but larger than a heading 3. So if we look at heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5, these are all headers, and these create additional, even smaller subheadings. Center tells the browser to display anything wrapped by the center tags in the horizontal center of the page. And lastly, we'll look at an A tag, which creates a clickable link that takes you to a different web page. The new page's address is given by the href attribute inside the tag, while the text shown on the screen is written between the tags. If I click on the link, it opens the web page that is referenced. So those are some of the key HTML tags that you should become familiar with.